Some governments would provide expansionary response through stimulus package and or bailout. Governments are investing heavily in multi-platform remote learning with strong emphasis on the role of technology in teachers' training at scale and ensuring learning continuity between school and the home. Fiscal stimulus packages would protect and mobilize resources for education as a way to revive their economies and enhance their medium-term growth prospects. The education sector could not simply be left alone to adjust under the market forces. There should be some form of economic packages to assist HEIs. A number of economists are in agreement that the education sector at this time must be assisted in putting in place measures to stabilize the sector and to prevent the disorderly collapse of institutions that have incredible importance to the country as a whole and to the local economies and regions. Poor countries whose governments find it impossible to protect their overall levels of spending may resort to contractionary response by reallocation of resources from other sectors in favor of education. Less developed countries do not have much of a choice at this time due to finite resources. Decisions over how to allocate public spending involve difficult trade-offs, but in the immediate COVID-19 pandemic, priority has to be given to funding health and social protection to protect lives and livelihoods. As education financing in developing countries heavily rely on household income, keeping income productivity and reducing employment have overarching impact to other sectors, including stabilizing the education sector. Where it is not possible to make intersectoral budget adjustments, poor countries may resort to reallocation of resources within the education budget. Reallocation of resources within the education budget would ensure that frontline services are protected. It will be critical to prioritize existing funds to cover the additional costs associated with the pandemic response and to minimize disruptions to the quality of education services. Reallocation of resources within the education budget might involve postponing expansion plans, reducing other planned capital investments, reducing training and supervision budgets, or temporarily shifting resources from non-essential services to the front lines.